Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Charge the Flynova fully and confirm connectors are dry and seated. This rules out power issues. Once charged, perform a hard power cycle by holding the power button 5 to 7 seconds until LEDs flash, which clears transient faults. Next, remove the propellers and visually inspect motor shafts and surrounding cavities for debris or bent blades. Small obstructions commonly stop spin. Do this calmly and deliberately so you don't introduce new damage while diagnosing. Once done with the reset, connect the Flynova to the official app and verify the firmware version. Update if an update is available, because firmware can fix control logic and sensor calibration. Then run the motor spin test from the diagnostics menu or gently spin each motor by hand to detect abnormal resistance. Grinding or sticky motion indicates mechanical binding or motor failure. Make sure to inspect motor wiring and solder joints for loose pins and confirm motor alignment so rotors can spin freely. After successful motor checks and any firmware updates, reattach the props and run the gyroscope and orientation calibration through the app. Calibration aligns sensors so control inputs translate correctly. Test the unit in a clear, open area with low-altitude hops while observing motor behavior and temperature. If issues persist, swap in a known good battery to isolate the power stage and collect app logs or video of the failure. That record is the key troubleshooting tip you send to support if you need a repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.